When you search for the best high-budget G-Shock watches, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy claims. But to really understand what sets them apart, you need to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1. Casio F91W Series. The Casio F91W Series. This lightweight digital watch is priced at just $21.50, and it caught my eye for its classic design and long battery life. If you want a reliable timepiece that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. It features an LED light, a stopwatch, and a daily alarm, which are perfect for keeping your daily routine on track. The 7-year battery life on this baby means you won't be changing batteries anytime soon, and the water resistance up to 30 meters is decent for splashes, but not for swimming. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're looking for a straightforward watch that covers the basics without any frills, this one nails it. Now, some people complained about its limited water resistance. Here's the thing though, if you're just looking for an everyday watch and not planning on diving, it's a non-issue. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, no-fuss watch. Skip this one if you need something more rugged for extreme conditions. For the price, it's a solid value. Now, if the F91W's basic features feel a bit too simple for you, the next option ramps things up significantly.
Product number 2. DW9052 Series. The DW9052 series by Casio, a men's digital watch that retails at $59.92. I was impressed by its rugged design and serious functionalities. If you want something that can withstand a bit more action, this is worth a serious look. This watch is shock resistant, which means it can handle the toughest conditions, making it ideal for outdoor adventures. With a water resistance of up to 200 meters, it's perfect for swimming and even scuba diving. The electroluminescent backlight ensures you can see the time clearly in the dark, which is super handy. The 1/100th second stopwatch and multi-alarm functionalities allow you to keep track of your workouts, and the auto calendar means you won't have to adjust it manually. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you live an active lifestyle, this watch is built just for you. Now, some users have mentioned the strap might feel a bit stiff initially. Here's the thing though, it softens up with wear and gives you that secure fit you need for activities. This is perfect for you if you enjoy outdoor sports or need a reliable watch for daily wear. Skip this one if you prefer a more elegant look. For the price, it offers fantastic durability and features. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more style without sacrificing functionality.
Product number 3. G-Shock GD101B. The G-Shock GD101B is next on my list, priced at $77.39. What really caught my attention was its tough design and user-friendly features. If you're serious about style and durability, this watch is worth a serious look. With a matte black finish and high brightness LED backlight, it's designed for those who need a watch that looks good and performs well. Its 200-meter water resistance means it's ready for any water activity, and the extended 7-year battery life means you can rely on it without frequent changes. The shock-resistant structure is tailored for military and extreme sports enthusiasts. Here's why this matters for you. If you work or play in rugged environments, this watch won't let you down. However, some users find it a bit bulky. Here's the thing though, that bulkiness contributes to its durability and rugged appeal. This is perfect for you if you want a watch that combines style with performance. Skip this one if you prefer a minimalist design. Overall, it's a solid investment for the price. Now, if the GD101B's bulkiness isn't your thing, the next option takes a more refined approach while still being very tough.
Product number 4. G-Shock GWM 5610U1. Priced at $110.26. This solar-powered watch really impressed me with its modern features and durability. If you want a combination of eco-friendliness and functionality, this is worth a serious look. The solar power feature means you don't have to worry about changing the battery frequently, making it perfect for long-term use. It's also shock-resistant and comes with an auto light feature that is super convenient, as long as the battery level is good. The 660-foot water resistance is great for swimming and daily wear. Here's why this matters for you. If you're looking for a watch that's both environmentally friendly and tough, this one's a great choice. On the downside, some users mention that the auto light feature may not work well when the battery gets low. Here's the thing though, it's still a reliable watch for everyday use, and the solar aspect really adds to its value. This is perfect for you if you want a functional watch that's also eco-friendly.
Skip this one if you're looking for a more traditional battery-powered option. For the features you get, it's a worthwhile investment. Alright, that was a great choice, but if you're after something with an even longer battery life, stick around for the final pick.
Product number 5. Illuminator AE1500WH Series. We have the Illuminator AE1500WH Series, priced at $31.96. This watch surprised me with its features at such a low price point. If you want excellent value for money, this is worth a serious look. With a 10-year battery life, you can set it and forget it for years. The 100-meter water resistance is suitable for swimming and snorkeling, while the LED backlight ensures you can read the time in low light conditions. Plus, with 5 multifunction alarms and a stopwatch, it's surprisingly versatile. Here's why this matters for you. If you need a reliable watch for everyday use without breaking the bank, this one delivers. However, some users have pointed out that the face is a bit large. Here's the thing though, that wide display makes it easier to read, which is a plus for many. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable watch that won't cost a fortune. Skip this one if you prefer a more compact design. For the features offered at this price, it's a fantastic deal.
We've explored 5 fantastic high-budget G-Shock watches. The Casio F91W is perfect for a simple everyday watch. The DW9052 is rugged and built for action. The GD100-1B combines style with toughness. The GW M5610U-1 offers eco-friendly solar power, and the AE1500WH series is an incredible value. Each has its strengths, so choose based on what fits your lifestyle best.